Maryam from Crochet Chapel, and today we want to learn how to make this angled single crochet. This lightweight pattern is perfect for cardigans and skirts that need to move. So let's get started. To get started, make a slip knot and chain a multiple of 3 stitches. Make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a single crochet into the next chain. Skip the next chain, make a single crochet next. Chain 3, single crochet next. And repeat this process, means skip the next, single crochet next, chain 3, single crochet in next. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, turn your work, make a single crochet into this chain 3 space, chain 3, make another single crochet into the same space, and do it into every space. It means chain, single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet into the same space. Repeat it to the end. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 2. Repeat row 2 until you get the desired length. This is how it looks like at the end. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, write your comments down below and support me. See you next tutorials. Bye!